In September 2020, Apple updated its popular Apple Watch lineup, introducing the new Apple Watch Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 6 replaced the Apple Watch Series 5 as the company's flagship wearable, which was announced in September of 2019. Although the Apple Watch Series 5 has now been discontinued by Apple, it continues to be available at many third-party resellers. Perhaps you are wondering if it is worth upgrading from a Series 5 to a Series 6, or are considering if the lower-cost Series 5 is a worthy introduction to the Apple Watch instead of the Series 6. You may also be using an older Apple Watch, and are looking to upgrade, but cannot decide if you should buy the Series 5 or the Series 6. As these two models share many key features, including design, ECG functionality, and an always-on display, it may not be immediately obvious which model is better for you. Is it worth purchasing the slightly older model with fewer features to save money? This guide helps you to answer the question of which of these two Apple Watch models is best for you. If you like and see their price, then you'll check links in the description box down below, so let's get started with the video. Displays. Both the Apple Watch Series 5 and Apple Watch Series 6 come with a Retina LTPO OLED display. The key difference, however, is that the Series 6 has an always-on display that is 2.5 times brighter outdoors than the Series 5 when your wrist is lowered. While the maximum brightness of both displays is the same at 1000 nits, the Apple Watch Series 6's always-on display will look considerably brighter outdoors and during day-to-day use at a glance. Other than this feature, the high-resolution Retina displays themselves are the same between the two models. Unless you feel that you especially need to see your watch face in the clearest way at all times without raising your wrist, the Apple Watch Series 5's display will be more than adequate for your needs. Apple Watch Series 5 new case material made of titanium. Processor. Both processors in the Apple Watch Series 5 and Apple Watch Series 6 are 64-bit dual-core chips. The newer S6 processors are based on the A13 Bionic in the iPhone 11, and are up to 20% faster than the previous S5 processors. Apple says that this allows apps to launch 20% faster, while maintaining the same all-day 18-hour battery life. The Apple Watch Series 5's S5 dual-core processor still delivers incredibly fast performance according to Apple. The S5 is up to 2 times faster than Apple Watch Series 3. In fact, Apple is so confident in the capability and performance of the S5 processor that it included the chip in the new Apple Watch SE. U1 ultra-wideband chip. Only the Apple Watch Series 6 contains the U1 ultra-wideband chip. Apple says that the U1 on Apple Watch will enable short-range wireless location to support new experiences, such as next-generation digital car keys, but it is as yet unclear what else the chip may offer. The distance between two devices that support ultra-wideband can be measured precisely by calculating the time that it takes for a radio wave to pass between the two devices, with much more accuracy than Bluetooth LE and Wi-Fi. Health monitoring. Watch Series 6 offers blood oxygen monitoring, a brand new health monitoring feature never seen before on the Apple Watch. The feature measures the oxygen saturation of the user's blood, so they can better understand their overall fitness and well-being. Oxygen saturation, also known as SpO2, represents the percentage of oxygen being carried by red blood cells from the lungs to the rest of the body, and indicates how well this oxygenated blood is being delivered throughout the body. The Apple Watch Series 6 has a blood oxygen sensor on its rear with an array of 4 clusters of green, red, and infrared LEDs. They measure light reflected back from blood, and using an advanced custom algorithm, can determine blood oxygen saturation between 70 and 100%. On-demand measurements can be taken using the Blood Oxygen app, and periodic background measurements are also taken, including during sleep. All data is visible in the Health app, and the user is able to track trends over time to see how their blood oxygen level changes. blood oxygen monitoring in the Apple Watch Series 6 is the main health-focused appeal of the newer model. If you believe that blood oxygen monitoring will be important to you, you should definitely consider the Apple Watch Series 6. If this advanced health feature is less of a priority for you, the Apple Watch Series 5 still has a multitude of health monitoring capabilities, including ECG. Battery. Both models of Apple Watch retain what Apple calls an all-day battery life of around 18 hours. Apple Watch Series 6, however, offers faster charging, completing a full charge in under 1.5 hours, and improved battery life for tracking certain workouts, such as indoor and outdoor runs. By comparison, the Apple Watch Series 5 charges in under 2.5 hours. Since the battery life of both models is virtually the same, it is probably not worth favoring the Series 6 simply on the basis of faster charging and slightly improved battery usage during particular activities. The Series 6's battery and charging enhancements instead remain an indication of how the device offers a variety of small improvements over the Apple Watch Series 5. Design. The Apple Watch Series 5 and Apple Watch Series 6 share the same design, but differ slightly when it comes to materials and color options. The Apple Watch Series 6 is available in aluminum, stainless steel, or titanium, and the Apple Watch Series 5 is also available in ceramic. Apple Watches with stainless steel, titanium, or ceramic use a sapphire crystal screen, whereas the aluminum models use INX strengthened glass. The Apple Watch Series 6 in aluminum is available in silver, space gray, gold, blue, or red. In stainless steel, it is available in silver, graphite, or gold, and in titanium, it is available in titanium or space black. The Apple Watch Series 5 is not available in blue or red, but it does offer a unique ceramic white color. Other Apple Watch options. Apple also offers the Apple Watch SE for $279. This model has fewer features than the Apple Watch Series 5, but offers a lower cost option with many of the aspects that have made the Apple Watch so popular over the years. The Apple Watch SE does not have an always-on display, ECG or blood oxygen monitoring, but it does contain the same S5 chip as the Series 5 and the same always-on altimeter as the Series 6. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Series 6 is a fairly minor improvement over the previous Series 5 model, offering new features such as blood oxygen monitoring, the S6 and U1 chips, and an always-on altimeter. With its improved always-on display, advanced health monitoring features, and range of colors and finishes, the Apple Watch Series 6 will be the model of choice for those that want the most out of their wearable. If you are particularly interested in health tracking, or simply like a specific new color, the Apple Watch Series 6 will be the best model for you. Alternately, if you are on a budget and are not particularly attracted to the additional features of the Series 6, the Apple Watch Series 5 remains an option worth considering. It shares many features with the newer model, such as the ability to take ECGs. However, it should be remembered that the Series 5 is already over a year old, and will likely not support software updates for as long as the Series 6. You should only consider the older Series 5 if the Series 6 is out of your price range. This is all for now. You can check links in the description box down below. Both watches are available on Amazon. You can checking the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.